morning, children. How are you all? I am Nancy ma'am, and I'm back with a new topic in numeracy, that is comparison of numbers. Before understanding about comparison of numbers, I would like to ask you all, do you all remember you all had learnt more and less in your previous sessions? More means zyada and less means come. So let's revise the concept more and less first.
This plate has more biscuits, while this plate has less biscuits. Next, this jug holds more water, and this jug holds less water. Kids, how many owls are there on this branch? There are 4 owls, while on this branch there are 2. So, here the owls are more and here the owls are less.
Children, with the same concept, we will learn 3 new signs. I repeat, 3 new signs in numeracy. They are
Greater than, less than, and equal to.
children. Which are the 3 signs we are going to talk about? Greater than, less than, and equal to. So we shall start by understanding their meaning with an example.
ग्रेटर देन साइन का मतलब है जब एक नंबर दूसरे नंबर से बड़ा होता है. जब हम 2 नंबर कंपेयर करते हैं तो जो नंबर बड़ा होता है उसके सामने हम ग्रेटर देन साइन लगाते हैं. लेट्स सी एन एग्जांपल. कैन यू सी दिस स्टार्स? लेट्स काउंट. 1 2 3. This side we have 3 stars, and on the either side we have 1 2 stars. So kids, which number is greater? Number 3. So we shall put a greater than sign. 3 2 से बड़ा है. 3 is greater than 2. Less than sign means when one number is smaller than the other, then we use a less than sign. When 2 numbers are compared, in front of the greater number, we use less than sign. Let's see an example. Can you see this ice cream sticks? Let's count. 1 2. Here there are 2 sticks. And here 1 2 3 4. 4 sticks. So kids, which number is smaller? 2. So the less than sign we will be placing in front of the bigger number. 2 is less than 4. Equal to. Equal to sign means when one number is same to the other number or equal to the other number, we use equal to sign. Let's see an example related to it. Here I have kept some smileys. Let's count. 1 2 3. Here there are 3 smileys. यहाँ पे 3 smileys हैं. और यहाँ पे हैं 1 2 3. Again 3 smileys. 3 is equal to 3.
Now children, let's learn about these signs in a better way with the help of a crocodile. Yes, you heard it right. A hungry crocodile.
There were some hungry crocodiles in a jungle. They were very hungry and wanted to eat something. So while they were searching, they found some fruits. On one side there were 6 strawberries and on the other side there were 2 apples किड्स, ये क्रोकोडाइल को बहुत ज़्यादा भूख लगी थी। तो जब हमको ज़्यादा भूख लगती तो ज़्यादा खाना चाहिए ना। तो क्रोकोडाइल देखने लगे मैं क्या खाऊं क्या खाऊं। तो उन्होंने डिसाइड किया कि मैं सारी स्ट्रॉबेरीज खा लेता हूँ। यम 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 यम। स्ट्रॉबेरीज खा के फिर भी क्रोकोडाइल का टमी नहीं भरा। Then he saw some oranges and bananas. On one side there were 4 oranges. On the other side there were 6 bananas. So kids, what did the crocodile do? Yes, he started eating the fruit which was in more quantity, that is bananas. Yes. But the crocodile was still hungry. फिर उसने क्या देखा पता है? आइसक्रीम्स। वाओ बच्चों, आपको आइसक्रीम्स पसंद है ना? यस। बट ये क्या? क्रोकोडाइल ने देखा दोनों साइड 3-3 आइसक्रीम्स के कप थे। Seeing this, the crocodile got confused. आपको पता है उसने क्या किया? He ate the ice creams from both the sides. Yum yum yum.
Kids, what did we learn through this crocodile story? That the hungry crocodile opens his mouth only towards the higher quantity. When he opens his mouth towards its right, it is called greater than sign. When he opens his mouth towards its left, it is called less than sign. And when he opens his mouth both the sides, what it is called? Equal to. Right? So now let's see some more examples in your classwork book.
Kids, open page number 92 given in your classwork books. It says comparison of numbers. Let's see some examples. Here A holds one fish and B holds one fish. So, what sign will put? Equal to, because A is equal to B. And it says A and B are equal. Next, here A holds 1, 2, 3 fish and B holds 1 fish. So, the crocodile mouth will open where the quantity is more. So, A is greater than B. Right? Next, here A holds 1 fish and B holds 1, 2, 3 fish. So, the crocodile mouth will open in front of B. Right? Can you see this? So, A is smaller than B. Same way in numbers. Here there is number 5 and on the either side also 5. So we will put equal to sign because 5 is equal to 5. Next, here it is 7 and on the either side it is 4. So which number is greater? 7. 7 is greater than 4. So the crocodile mouth will open in front of 7. Next, 3 and 7. So 7 on is on the either side. So 3 less than sign. So 3 is less than 7 or 3 is smaller than 7. So now kids, open page number 93 in your classwork. It says count and write the number and put appropriate signs, that is greater than, less than and equal to. Here is the image of some balls. Right? So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So in the given box, we will write 9. Yeah. And here again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So again 9. So on both sides 9, 9. So which sign we will put? Equal to sign. Next we have some strawberries. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we'll write 5 in this box. And on the either side we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Right? So, which is the greater number? Number 5 from 4. So, the crocodile mouth will open which side? Number 5. Next, we have Christmas tree. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So, we'll write over here 8. And on the either side, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So, here we'll write 10. So, the crocodile mouth will open towards the higher number, that is 10. So, we'll put the sign over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 flowers. And on the either side, we have 1, 2, 3. 3 flowers. So, the greater number is 6. So, the crocodile mouth will open towards 6. Next, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 corns. And on the either side, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 again. So, both are equal numbers. 5 and 5. Right? So, which sign we'll put? That is equal to sign. Next, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 mushrooms. Can you see this? Yes. And on the either side, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 0. 10 mushrooms. So, the crocodile mouth will open on which number? 10. Right. So, let's read it. 9 is equal to 9. 5 is greater than 4. 8 is less than 10. 6 is greater than 3. 5 is equal to 5. And 8 is less than 10. So kids, let's do one more page. So open page number 94 in your classwork book. So in the same way, here also we have to put signs. So let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So in this box we write number 12. On the either side, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So again here 12. So which sign will come? Equal to sign. Right? So 12 is equal to 12. Next. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 helicopters. And here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 helicopters. So which number is big? 7 or 6? 7. So crocodile mouth will open in forward 7. Next 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10. These are coffee mugs. So right here 10. Let's count on the either side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here we'll write 8. So which number is greater? 10. So crocodile mouth will open in towards 10. Next 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 aeroplanes. And on the either side 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 aeroplanes. So which number is bigger? 5 or 4? 5. So greater than sign towards 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We'll write 8 over here. And on the either side, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we write here 7. Which number is big? 8 or 7? 8. Like this. And the last one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We'll write here 8. On the either side, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So again, 8. So here we'll put a equal to sign. Let's read. 12 is equal to 12. 7 is greater than 6. 10 is greater than 8. 5 is greater than 4. 8 is greater than 7 and 8 is equal to 8. So kids, in the same way, you all have to complete page number 93 and 94 in your classwork book.
Children, I hope you will have understood the concept of greater than, less than, and equal to signs. Do complete the exercise that we have done in your classwork book. And for homework, complete
Page number 57, which says greater than, less than, and equal to. So kids, the way we did the classwork, you all have to do this for homework. First count the image and put appropriate sign, which is given in your maths homework book.
kids. I shall see you tomorrow for the next session. Take care. Thank you. Bye bye.